Security Solutions started out as Bellingham Lock and Safe back in 1904. In 2004, we had really grown into the electronics market a lot more than the locksmithing, and we made the decision to change the name to Security Solutions. In order for us to be able to take the next step, we needed to move into something that would give us enterprise-level financial management. We needed something that would handle contracts. We needed something that would handle recurring revenue.
In our prior solution, it was very much like QuickBooks. A transaction could be deleted or changed at any time. So we had some control issues. We struggled with inventory. We had a lot of manual data entry, which made for lots of entry error. And it's very challenging in our industry to find something that can do everything. Financials, CRM, case management, service appointments.
You'd have to go into several different pieces of software just to try to get some information.
We looked at the tool sets that we could offer them, and really Acumatica fit. It had a service piece which worked great for their field-based workforce.
So one of the great things about Acumatica is its platform and its open API. We've been able to work with Lucid Consulting to configure the case management in Acumatica, the AR contract module.
Acumatica saves my time because it consolidates information. Being able to access it anywhere is just powerful.
One of the dashboards that I was able to create is for the project team. It allows them to go in and see all the invoices, all the hours, all the inventory on hand for that project.
For me to be able to look at any one of my sales guys at any given time, see where they are, what they've closed, how they've closed it. If their pipeline looks strong, obviously I feel a lot more comfortable about the next few months. If their pipeline's weak, how can I get out there and help them drive more pipeline product?
Now whenever we have jobs that come in the middle of the day, we can just throw it onto our tech's schedule. They can pull it up on the app. It makes it a lot more streamlined. They can just stay out in the field and keep working.
Now the technicians can clock in and out of their appointments. They can even voice dictate notes out in the field. They don't even have to type. It makes it really easy for us to get that accurate information quickly.
When it came time to do the Seattle office, it was literally a phone call saying, hey, we're looking at opening up another location. Is there anything we need to do? No. You just need to set up some users and some location codes and you're good to go. You're already implemented.
Acumatica takes their customers' feedback seriously. So many things that we requested 3 years ago have worked their way into the product directly.
It's very intuitive.
It's all done in one system.
Ultimately, we're able to provide a better product.
When I think of Acumatica, I think of cloud, accessibility, and I think of information.